Welcome to Patient's Expectations, Break It versus Work It.
Where we show you how to either wreck your chances or work it like a pro. So shall we work it now?
Let's go!
Let's go!
Kailangan ni Bianca.
Ako, tagal-tagal mo naman. Wala na akong araw dito.
Ganyan ba lang boss na nakikipag-usap, ma'am? Kung magmamadali ka, ikaw mag-exist sa sarili mo.
Ma'am naman, nagtatanong lang yung patient eh.
Kailangan ni Bianca.
Uy, ano ba yun? Tagal-tagal mo naman. Wala na akong araw dito.
Good morning, ma'am. Naiintindihan ko kung nagmamadali kayo, pero kailangan po natin ito gawin ng tama para sigurado kung accurate yung mga resulta. Sandali lang po at gagawin po natin ito ng maayos. Pasok na po kayo.
Ganun ba?
Guys, so ang tamang gagawin kapag si patient ay tinitawag na, huwag maging turtle sa serbisyo. Bati agad, explain kung bakit, at bigyan ng mabilisang action. And additional knowledge, according to Ms. Lilian Torres to her book of Patient Care, 9th edition, page 57, the radiology technologist must act in a professional manner, respond to patient needs, and support colleagues and associates in providing quality patient care.
Ano? Dali mo na dyan. Tagal mo ah.
Wait, excuse me, pwede makahingi tissue? May natapon kasi sa pants ko.
Ano sitingin mo sa akin? Alalay mo?
Ay, wait, sorry, hindi ba ikaw yung janitor?
Malamang hindi, te. Pakidalihan mo na dyan. Wala akong oras.
Hindi naman kasi ganyan ka papasok sa duty. Kung hangover pa ha.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Miss Ilagan. I'm your resident traffic for today. I'm going to assist you and I'll make sure to make you comfortable.
Thank you, ma'am, and you're really good professional.
So now, let's go to the x-ray.
Thank you.
Tama na yun kapag napagkabala ka, hindi professional. Hindi mo ang kanal. Kapag sa iyo naman sa itsura.
Wait lang.
Yes po.
Yes.
Ito po ba yung Radtech Department po?
Ako dito.
May request po kasi ako.
Wait lang, din. Hindi na tayo dito.
Excuse po, sino po mag-a-assist po?
Wait lang po.
Sige po, thank you po.
Oh, shout out sa mga radtech dyan. Huwag puro cellphone sa duty. Galaw-galaw din.
Excuse po,
Good morning po.
dito po ba yung Radtech Department po?
Yes po.
Nabigyan po kasi ako ng appointment and request po para po kay Tekman Sigal po.
Sige, upo na lang po kayo sa
Sige po.
Wait nyo na lang po. Check po kayo.
Salamat po.
So guys, according to Ms. Lilian Torres, Book of Patient Care 9th edition, page 57, the radiographer must be able to convey messages in an organized and logical manner. Any problem of communication, whether major or minor, has an impact on patient's health. Kaya ayan, huwag puro cellphone sa duty ha!
Excuse me po, ma'am. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin nito?
Hala, ma'am. Parang may cardiomegaly ka.
O ano po yun?
Ayan, oo, namamaga yung puso mo.
Sa
Alam mo, baka mamamatay ka na. Okay lang yan, ma'am. Pasok na po ako, ah.
Ano po? Ano po ba yun?
Bis, nag-radiologist ka naman bigla. Very wrong yan ha.
Excuse me po, ma'am. Paano po pala ito ba sa akin?
Alam mo, I'm sorry po. Radtech po ako, hindi po ako licensed radiologist. Punta na lang po kayo sa licensed radiologist para mabigyan po ng reading yung chest x-ray nyo. Thank you po.
Kapag naman tinanong ka ni patient kung anong diagnosis sa x-ray, huwag magpaka-doktor ha. Dahil we as a Radtech, we don't diagnose. We just produce high-quality images. So wala sa iyong last say, but we'll get it to the doctor para sa tamang sagot.
Por qué contigo yung eskuhi? Ahora may oras sa dasuki? Ano sinasabi niyo? Kasi simple lang iyong tapi di. Tapos gusto niya na ako yan eh.
Init naman agad ng ulo ng radtech. Mali mo naman, nagtatanong lang kung saan yung CR, di ba? Ikaw naman.
Por qué contigo yung Yes, Kuya.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm your resident Radtech for today, but I'm sorry I don't understand your language. But I'll try to call my co-Radtech who understands your language. Tia?
Okay?
Hola, soy Dora. Feliz Navidad.
So, kapag hindi maintindihan ang language ni patient, huwag mahiyang tumawag kay Coratec na may superpower sa language skills. Sabi nga, di ba, teamwork makes the dream work. So, huwag matatakot humingi ng tulong ha, para maging smooth ang process.
Okay, ma'am. Position ko lang po kayo, ah.
Sir, medyo iba na po yan.
Hindi po position ko lang po kayo.
Sir, na-uncomfortable na po ako.
Tama lang po yan.
Sir, parang mali na po ito.
Hello?
Sir, i-report ko po kayo.
Hello?
Gabi naman nakahawak ba? Dali ko pala naman dyan, bes.
Okay, sandali na lang po kayo. Purong po kayo anting kadali.
Sir, ano po ba nang gagawin? Next x-ray po ka.
Yes, we'll do neck x-ray today and I'll make sure to explain everything para hindi ka magulat.
Okay po, thank you. Pero parang medyo nakakabango po ako.
Don't worry, I'll make sure you're comfortable.
Okay po.
Basta hawak, I need to sa kanyang patient care book 9th edition, page 59, and the geographer must be aware of cultural differences. Some people are very protective of their space close to their bodies and might be offended if a person with whom they are not very friendly turns invades their personal space. They always ask for consent, ha? Right, that's a wrap up on patient's expectations, right here versus work.
So guys, remember, keep it cool, keep it professional, and always work it right. Hope you learned something and enjoy our video.
Dear future Radtecs, of course we should consider the patient's ethnicity and cultural beliefs before making an initial assessment and care. Baka akala mo galit, hindi pala normal lang sa kultura nila. Kaya embrace the diversity and what can choose you.
Future ethics, of course, we should use the right tone and volume when speaking to our patients for clarity.
Ano po yun?
Huwag masyadong mahina, hindi naman ASMR session ko, di ba? Speak clearly, let our words feel too.
We are future Radtecs. Of course, we should provide clear and organized instructions to patients for a smooth procedure. Huwag iwan ang pasyente sa dilim, magbigay ng gabay.
We are future ethics. Of course, we should communicate clearly and therapeutically with our patient to make them feel comfortable. Hindi yung English ng English ka dyan na parang nagde-debate. Baka biglang mapalos kayo sa patient, ha?
We're future Radtecs. Of course, we should document all reports accurately. Pag walang ebidensya, parang chismis lang yan. Kaya dapat may pruweba para walang lusot. Dear future Radtecs, of course, we should focus on patient's concern and set aside personal matters during imaging. X-ray muna. Bago yung X, kahit broken-hearted ka pa, trabaho na.